Alright, hello and welcome to Echoes of Color with Jefferey Morrison. How's it going? Want to do another whip and chat here with Craftably's Midnight Warrior by Sarah Burrier. 20 inches by 28 inches, round drill, 62 colors in total, including 2 ABs, which stands for Aurora Borealis, and they're an iridescent coated type of drill that sparkles a little brighter than that of regular drills, and 2 rhinestones, translucent faceted tops with silver bottoms. Alright, so how's it going? So you're having a wonderful day. Yep, just a nice sunny day for Saturday. Okay, are we still in good range here? Yeah. Move the canvas up a giggle. Okay, there we go. Alright, yeah, just working on the headdress here. Gotta have a few more K's here. I don't know if this is like a feather or something. Yeah, it's a feather. Okay. Here you go. Alright, it's a feather in their headdress here. Might hear some hammering in the background. It's just my dad downstairs. No big. Just don't want to make it sound scary. Random hammering. Oh well, it's just doing his thing. He has weekends off, so working on stuff in the workshop. Woodworking shop. So hopefully your weekend is going good. Just enjoying your day off or just chilling, crafting, diamond painting, or other hobby stuff. Oops. Here I'm trying to flip drills over and it's not working so good. Thrown like every color of the rainbow for this canvas into the out of the tray. Alright, so I'm working on the feather here. I wondered what this was. Now you know. Looking closer at the picture, it's like, oh, okay, feather. Here. Still not enough drills flipped over, my word. Going to need a few more drills anyway. Here, let's go to the ribbed section of the tray here. 2 more. Oh, goody, hiccups. Fantastic. Did you get any of the Diamond Art Club new releases? I talked about the naughty one that was released before. Demon woman or something, no clothes on. Yeah, very naughty. But yeah, it was charted. Guess people had a great time charting that one. Whoa, she's naked. What do we do? Render it as usual. Oh. Be nervous. What's on your screen? You're at work. Not doing. Supposed to be doing naughty stuff. It's for a canvas. Oh. Are you sure? It's very naughty. Very naughty. But, you know, it's just the way it goes. Gotta have that racy art every once in a while. Give some people to talk about. Something people to talk about. Okay. I'm sure there's naughtier canvases out there in the world. Some mysterious companies just have very mature scenes that you can diamond paint. But yeah. Well, that eclectic taste is out there, so there you go. People are making them. Alright, that was 19 basically. Okay. Wherever this goes in the order here. Bags are like curling down. There we go. Yeah, approximately. Okay, whoops. Where are we now? Hey, let's do a rhinestone. Why not? That would be 62. Upright rhinestone time. Yay! Alright, it's just like, these are the rhinestones. Translucent tops. And then silver bottoms. Yeah, they exist. They're right here. Haven't done them in a while. Haven't used them in a while. I think this is one of the first canvases I've used rhinestones that it has had rhinestones in. So that's cool. I didn't know what they were called at the very start when I was introducing the canvas. Then, yeah, I was clarified, given clarification, which is always appreciated. I don't know everything. I don't remember everything. Thank goodness for rhinestone drills, you can just use your wax that's existing in your pen. There's no coating on these. They're just translucent, faceted tops. Yeah, they're the color that you see, the yellow. The other one's like red. But yeah. No coating, just clear acrylic plastic, I think. These are acrylic drills. I could be wrong though. Crystals, yeah. Your drills have various different nicknames, but all means the same thing, so. I usually say drills though, but I'll say rhinestones for the sake of these special drills. Still drills, but they have a fancy name. Confused yet? What's he going on about? They're drills. Oh. I think one diamond company calls them crystals, but, or diamonds or whatever, but glistening things. No, it's all good. Get it right eventually, even if it takes me like a few times to figure it out. Whoopsies. My bad. Is it just here? Oh, there's a little patch over there. There's... Yeah, these just make a brief cameo in the canvas. There's kind of there. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, small areas of the canvas. Yeah, the red. Yeah, it's got a bit in the roses, but nothing hardcore. Not a huge swath, but cool kind of drill to add to the collection. Hopefully your day is going good. I think I already said that though. Oh jeez. Alright. And it's flipped over. Just flying onto the canvas. Eventually I have to roll this even more, and then just the top row. Top row is like still curled at the top. This canvas doesn't like rest like Diamond Art Clubs do. But yeah, it's still good hardy canvas, like craftably. So I don't know. As long as the edges aren't fraying and the adhesive's good, I really don't put up much of a fuss. Symbols are clear. But yeah, one quirk I've kind of mentioned throughout, the sticker sheet doesn't quite match some of the symbols that or on the canvas, but you can kind of discern what the symbol is from process of elimination. But if the symbols were a little bit more consistent, matching on the sticker sheet, I'd be a little happier. But not perfect. But is what it is. Okay, flip that one over with my pen. Yeah, I need a few more. Hopefully I have enough. I think somebody played Drill Chicken, finishing off their canvas. There's probably like under a dozen drills left for a particular color. Yeah, they were close. They finished their canvas. They didn't run out, but it was, yeah. They had enough drills to get them through. That sometimes happens with colors. Yeah. It starts sweating. Oh my gosh, am I gonna run out of a color? No. Scary stuff. It's your heart pumping. Diamond painting. Thriller edition. Oh my gosh. I'm running out of drills. I only have like 12 left. Oh my gosh, do I have enough? Will he have enough drills to finish the canvas? Tune in next time for diamond painting intensity. Scary stuff. I don't know, that's why I save my drills, but yeah, I don't have every extra color of the rainbow for DMC colors by any means, but yeah, it's just nice when the extras are around. There are individuals who just get a container and pour their extra drills into it and just set it on their desk for decoration. It varies. Somebody who has like OCD or something would probably be like losing it. Those aren't organized. What did you do? No. But not my drills, but it's art. Shake it and then you get a different composition every time of drills, depending on how full the container of drills is. Wouldn't you hate for that container to go oopsie? Smash. 6,000 drills in a container plus glass. 2 years later. Oh, I found another drill, honey. Is this from one of your kits? No, it's probably from that jar that I broke. Oh. Honey, why are there drills in our bed? What have you done? Show up in the shower, end up in your shoes, hang out in the till at work or something. Oh, just never ending. Get drills around here. Front door step, front steps going into the existing house, not the addition. I think one ended up my lunchbox at work or on one of my shoes or in one of my shoes. Yeah. Glitter has to be like 20 times worse though. Kind of have an aversion to glitter. Yeah, scary. Hey, that might be all for 62. Okay, that retires that. Color. Yeah, just means it ran out of symbols on the canvas for it. So, yeah, it's there. Good addition to the canvas, like, by all means. Alright. Just reflects light a little differently, that's all. Oh, kind of the clear effect is spiffy. But, yeah. There are just canvases that have rhinestones on them, and then there are like partials, where you don't put drills on, or special drills on parts of the canvas. So it exists. Yeah. special canvases or something. I think they have a certain term. Okay, do a sideways staple, I guess. Oh, that'd be 51. Getting there, getting there, getting there. 48, 50, 51. I just kit down right at the end of a canvas. Like, if I'm like done with a color, yeah, I just wait till the end. Kind of kit down. I'll just probably write short form for Midnight Warrior and then craftably on these bags, and then put them in a storage box from the dollar store. Like, I don't have fancy storage. I really don't. The drills are like in boxes where I know where they are. I know you can probably categorize them by DMC code and bunch them together, but it's different. But yeah, many different ways to organize these drills. But yeah, if you do keep your drills and store them for extras, yeah, there are various different methods. But that's okay. It's all good. Do what works for you. That's just a suggestion too, what I do. But, you know, I think I showed how I kit down. I think it was a Diamond Art Club or something. Yeah, the Harry Potter one. I think I did just like a kit down kind of demo. Just very basic. I don't think I did all the colors, but yeah, I just kind of gave an example of how I kit down. So yeah, dollar store, get these kind of baggies, can write on them with permanent marker. Yeah, they zip at the top, like they're resealable. 72, dollar store here in Canada anyway. Dollarama. Yeah, craft stores maybe. I don't know. Clever way. I turn around and get a storage box from the dollar store too. They're in there. If you have that kind of selection or that kind of look, I don't know, storage box, yeah. Just even an Amazon box. I think some of my drills are in an Amazon box, shipping box. So do what works. So that works. Okay. Wasn't very much of that sideways staple. Yeah. For this feather, I guess. Okay, cool. We're getting there. Alright, 51. Some of these colors just do a very brief cameo in this canvas, but I swear there was like one section where I like did down below here, there was like 2 drills for like a symbol. I was just like laughing. Like, okay, here we are. Boop boop. Okay, next. Alright, number 40, I think this one is. Yeah, this is one symbol where it's black and has a brown background. But yeah, on the sheet, it's not filled in. Like, it's not black. So you can tell it's like a fairly definitive symbol, but yeah, that just kind of drives me nuts. It's not exactly. I know, just get like a marker and color that spot in to be able to tell, but that'd be solving the problem. Oh, can't have that. I just need like 4 drills. Yep. This is literally like 4 drills. Oh, getting there. Soon we'll just be doing night sky on the moon, so enjoy the colors while they last. And just like a couple more. There's like a massive expansion of antler in the background, or tree branch, or whatever we're going for here. Yeah, it kind of reaches up to the top of the canvas in one section. Yeah, so mostly sky, but yeah, it's just like last couple bits of these feathers or whatever they are now. Just with sky as the background. Is pretty epic top. Just to tidy up the canvas. Alright, 40. Okay, put that there. Yeah, just kind of scanning to find symbols at this point now. Okay, upside down T. That would be 43. Yippee! That's exciting. We have a little miniature color rush. It happens every once in a while. 42, 43. Yes, found you. Color rush. Everybody get the fireworks out. Woo! Light them inside. Yeah. Sorry, trying to make diamond painting exciting. Is it working? No. Oh, there's a few of these. Little miniature trails here. Upside down T. No exciting colors, I know. Well, the rhinestones were nice and bright, so that's given. The ones I'm doing now are kind of... yeah, that's nice. Sorry, I can't do bright, fantastic colors all the time. I'm so sorry. Going to have to get like a rainbow unicorn kind of canvas and do it sometime. Anybody knows where one of those are, let me know. Do a rainbow unicorn canvas. Find it and just it'll be like 600 colors. Oh my gosh, I'm going blind. The colors. Wouldn't there be like a Josephine wall that it's like a unicorn or something? That'd be awesome. And the confetti. 16 years later. I finished this canvas. Oh, the colors. I can't see anymore. Fabulous. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm sure there's a really colorful unicorn out there somewhere. I know, just unicorns and rainbows. Yeah, just seem to go together. Or Neon Cat, that Pop-Tart looking cat with that song that just kept going for hours. I think it was like a Flash game or something, where you control the rainbow cat in space, and I think that Neon Cat song played in the background. It's like, I can't stop. I think there was like a 10-hour loop of that Neon Cat song somewhere on YouTube. I wouldn't be surprised. I think there was. I think it lasted like 2 or 3 minutes. Oh shoot, there's some more of that crazy brown symbol that's not shaded in. Oh dear, I was done with that brown. Okay, I'll put that there. Oh, see if I can revert back to that color. Not really paying attention, obviously. That's why we have a legend, folks. If you miss the symbol, it's like, oh, I have to get that bag out again. Well, butter, I did. Dear knows. See like a small section and you can like overlook like a corner or something. Yeah, I've done this section. I think there was like a couple instances where a couple symbols were showing up in a photo that I took. It was like literally 2 drills, but I said I had finished the section. And I went back and, yeah, I just kept the post up, but went back and filled those 2 drills in after noticing. Looking at the canvas after, it's like, well, I'll be actually done this section if I put those 2 drills on over those symbols. Whoops. That's funny. It happens. I think I do it all the time. I'm pretty consistent. Overlook sections of a canvas. They just look done at a quick glance and then nope. Surprise. Guess not. Yeah, my channel is called like Echoes of Color because I just love bright, vibrant scopes of color and contrasting colors or harmonized colors, or I think there's a fancier term for that. Here, let's not miss this symbol again. Geez. Okay. Ah, these drills flipped over, dude. Okay, boop. Now, on the canvas. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Gonna need more drills. Section. Alright. Don't worry, I still have tons left. Yeah, it's not heavy breathing utter drill chick in here, so. Coming next to never in theaters. One man tries to finish a diamond painting canvas with only a dozen drills left of a color. Will he finish his painting without running out of drills? It's like a 2-hour movie. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Oh my gosh, why do I not have more of this color? Oh my gosh. Oh. I know, trying to have fun diamond painting is, yeah, still not working. 43. All right, here we go. Jeez, no. His. Pick up the drills. I like adjusted this wax on the tip of my application pen. Now it's just hiding again. Doesn't want to pick up the drills. It's very shy wax. But alright, yeah, you've been watching Echoes of Color with Jeffery Morrison. Might as well start the outro now. Down below in the description I put my Facebook profile name, my Echoes of Color Facebook business page. Really just a website, then Facebook. Yeah, just call it Facebook business or whatever, but yeah. And my Instagram. All three, I just post updates, progress on my WIPs, works in progress. That's what WIP stands for. I never seldomly say that, but every once in a while I just supply definitions. Yay, learning. But yeah. Yeah, all three: Instagram, Facebook, and personal Facebook. Okay, I did that. Also post walking challenge links. Conquer his Lord of the Rings 5-part challenge to destroy the one ring, which Frodo and Sam did in the Lord of the Rings trilogy. It's based on that. There are more challenges than this Lord of the Rings. It's just the one I'm doing right now. On the side, not earning commission or anything if you click on the main website links. It's just informational purposes, just so you know what's going on. Yeah, so you can kind of check it out. I don't have discount codes or anything. It's just information. Pacer is something very similar. Silk Road. Trading routes used in Asia circa 700 BC. I just mentioned these things because I started doing them last year. So, but anyways, take care. All the best with your crafting endeavors / hobbies. If you're just hanging out, thank you. Always appreciated. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.